Hello, this is David at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. We are looking at a 2020 21 SPX outboard. It's got a sea ray blue side color with a white bottom. It's powered with a 150 Mercury outboard engine. We're going to head up the boarding ladder in the back here. Stainless steel. Grab handles. As you can see, the boat has a dune interior, infinity woven floor. As I move into the cockpit, we have dual captain's chairs. We can also get this with a bench on the port side. This model has the 5-inch Simrad center in between our two analog gauges. We have a Fusion stereo system that is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi compatible. All of our gauges and switches are very convenient. There's a storage door on the port side helm. There's also storage underneath both front seats. A ski locker underneath my feet center. A cooler on the starboard aft seat. There's a built-in cooler underneath the center aft seat. The outboard version of this boat has massive amounts of storage. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. My name is David. I appreciate your time. Thank you.